Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials. So today we are going to learn Mere Dholna song, especially the swara part, which every musician would love to play once in their lifetime. So let's get started. So I've tuned my violin in D sharp, that is D sharp, A sharp, again. So D sharp, A sharp, D sharp, A sharp. The swara is let me see the swara. It is Nisa, 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 Nisa. Those Nisa, that Ni is Ni 2. We have Ni 2. The next one is Dhani, 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 Dhani. Here we are playing the Ni 1, which is close to the Da 2. So our first Nisa is close to our Sa, that is Ni 2, and the next one is close to our Dha 2. Then open Pada, 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 Pada. Plainly you can play Gama Pada. This Ni is Ni 2. Ni, Re, Sa. I'm playing the Re with my pinky finger, like extending it. Ni, Re, Sa. This should be repeated twice. So I'm playing this a little slower than the original tempo so that you can play along with me while you're learning. The next one is Pani Nisa, Pani Nisa, Pani Nisa, Pani Nisa. We have 4 Pani Nisas that should be repeated again. So we have in total 8 times. So that Ni is Ni 2, which is close to our upper Sa. Next one we have Gama Pada Ni Da Pada Ni Da Pada Ni Sa. So here we have normal Gama Pada. Then we have Ni 1 Da Pada again. Here we have 2 Ni 1s, then Ni Sa, Ni 2 Sa. Gama Pada. Ni 1, Ni Da Pada, Ni Da Pada, Ni 2, Ni Sa. That one also we need to repeat it twice. Next one. This is a little more longer than the others. So this one is like Gama Pada Ni Da Pada. That is a Ni 1. Ni 1 Da Pada Pa Ma Gama Ga Re Sa Ni on the 3rd string, which is our Ni 1 again. Pa Dha Pa Ma Ga Ma Ga Re Sa Ni. That is Ni 1 on the 3rd string. The next one Dha Ni, 3rd string, Dha Ni 1. Dha Ni Sa Ga Ma Ga Sa Ga. The last Ma Pada Pada Ni 2 Sa. It's like So So that phrase should be repeated twice. It will be like. So from the start till here we can play it a little more faster. So I hope you played along with me while you're learning it. Then the next phrase. This one we are going to play. Ni sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ni sa ni 2. So the first ni you can just sustain a little. See? Then the other knees are. Next one is dhani. Play just like you did nisa. Here we have dhani 1. Here we have gama pada ni 1 da pama. Gama pama gama gari. Sari sa ni dhani sa dhani sa sari sa ni 1 dhani sa all on the third string. So we have. Yeah, like that. Then after that. Here I'm giving a gamaka for dha from saga tha da ni ni. Dha da ni 1 ni ni. Dha da ni ni sa sa ga ga. So either you can play ma ga plainly or you can play like pa ma ga ma ga. That one you can practice like. Slowly, then faster. Dha da ni ni sa sa ga ga ma ga. Sa sa ga ga ma ma dha da ni da sa ni da ni da. Here also you can practice it slowly like. Sa ni da ni da. So the whole thing together. Next one is dha ni 1. You're shifting your sa with your index finger and reach till ga ga 2. From there sa ni 1 dha ni. Again sa ni da ni. Dha ni sa ga sa ni dha ni sa ni dha ni da pa ma ga. Next one is ma dha ni sa da ni da ma ga ma ga re sa ni dha ni. It won't stop there. We have the next line continuously like Saga, Saga Madhani Sa. Ni1, here we have all Ni1. Nidha Pama, Gama Gari. Same thing repeat. So from that's that portion. You can pause or maybe you can repeat that and play along with me. The next one is it starts from the third string. Nini again on the third string. Nini sa sa ga ga mama. Next one. Sa sa ga ga mama dha da. Ga ga mama dha da ni ni. Again. Ga ga mama dha da ni ni. Mama dha da ni ni sa sa. After that, just slide like this. That's what I do. So from like that. That's the end of the swara portion. So let's just play from the start and you can also play along with me. So I hope you all learned the swara which you are all excited to learn, and you can pause in between and play along with me. I have actually played it a little slower, so you can practice along with my video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye bye.